welcome to French Lesson with David. Today we will continue our lesson with the conjugation of the verbs of the first group in the future tense. In the future tense. In our last lessons, we said that that conjugation is simply the creation of the derived form of a verb from its principal part by changing the suffix of the verb. So just like in our past lessons, whenever you conjugate the verbs of the first group, which are the regular verbs of the French language, they have a particular suffix. So whether you take chanter, manger, danser, they will still take the same suffix when you conjugate them in a particular tense. So today we will conjugate them in the future tense. So let's take the example of the verb nager. The verb nager simply means to swim. So let's conjugate nager in the future tense. In the future tense, the first person of the singular, which is je, is je nagerai. So in this case now, you don't remove the er. You simply add an ai to the er. You simply add an ai to the er to form the future tense of the verb. So it gives you je nagerai, tu nageras, il nagera, nous nagerons, vous nagerez, il or elle nageront. So now let's use the example. Let's take chanter, which is to sing. Let's take chanter, which is to sing, and conjugate it in the future tense to compare with our verb nager, which is to swim. So chanter here will give us je chanterai, tu chanteras, il chantera, nous chanterons, vous chanterez, il ou elle chante. So you see, the ending is the same. So for any verb of the first group, when you conjugate them in the future tense, is this particular ending that you will use. For the first person, je, it ends in ai. The second person, tu, ends in as. The third person, il or elle, ends in a. The first person of the plural, which is nous, ends in ons. The second person of the plural, which is vous, ends in iz. And the third person of the plural, which is il or elle, ends in ont. Let's use our verb nager in some examples to see how it goes. Je nagerai à la piscine demain soir. Je nagerai à la piscine demain soir. I will swim in the swimming pool tomorrow evening. Tomorrow evening. I will swim in the swimming pool tomorrow evening. I will swim in the swimming pool tomorrow evening. Kind of funny, man. Just like I will swim in the swimming pool tomorrow evening. Okay, let's go with this second one. Il nagera comme un poisson dans le futur. He will swim like a fish in the future. He will swim like a fish in the future. Nous nagerons à 15 heures. Nous nagerons à 15 heures. We will swim at 3 p.m. We will swim at 3 p.m. For the last one, make your sentence and leave it in the comment section to see whether you got what we taught you right. Thank you very much for watching this video.